Hello, in this video we're going to talk about functions of string. So let me just open my IDLE. Alright. So in this video I'll be using ideally. You can use script mode too, it's fine. So let me just make a variable fruit. Let's say fruit. A fruit orange. Okay. So let's print it first. Fruit. Yeah. So there is a function named dir, which let you know all the functions we can use inside a given object. So the given object is fruit in this case, and when we will run it, we will see these all functions. Uh, you can ignore till here. You don't have to worry about these functions, but what we will be studying in this video is some of these functions. I won't be covering every functions, and I'll be just focusing on some of the important functions. And you can try every function if you like, but in this video, I'll be teaching you some important functions. And yeah, let's start. Let's say capitalize. As you can see, it's uh, converting the first element of the string to an uppercase. Yeah, it simply does this. And there is one similar to this is title. Does the same thing. It converts the first element of the string to an uppercase. And what if the string first element is already in uppercase? So if I'll type orange dot title, it's printing orange. Uh, One thing about ideally I like is I don't have to type print again and again, again, again to run the code. I can just simply write like this and it will still give me the output. And if I'll use capitalize, it's doing the same, right? And let's see. Um, there is a function find. Yeah. So let's say fruit dot find. Now, find has a unique feature that we have to give it a string to work with. So if I'll tell you in simple words, um, it will find whatever we put inside of this function find. While if you haven't noticed yet, when we use a function, like when we call a function, using a function or like using a function is also known as calling the function in programming language. So if we are calling this function, we have to use brackets, opening and closing brackets in every end of our lines. Like we use it here, we use it in the capitalized function, we are using it in the find function. In the find function, we are putting something inside of it. Well, this thing is known as an argument. What argument is, in simple terms, it's just it needs object to find its position of this object's position in the given string. So in this case we have orange. So in A, and orange is in 0, 1, 2. As I said in the earlier video, the counting of Python usually starts with 0. So if I'll just run it, it's returning 2. So 0, 1, and 2. But let's suppose I have multiple A's. So when I have to use it, let's see what it will return. It's returning 1 since it returns the lowest position. So first is the lowest position, and then third, and then fifth. So first is the lowest position of banana, of A in banana. So it's returning 1. And similar to this, we have a function um index. Let's say fruit index A, saying true. And in this case is also said true. It means that they both are kind of similar, but still they do have some differences. And again, I would be suggesting you to do the research about it and let me know what you found in the comments. Okay, there is some other functions like is alpha, alpha. Wait a minute, where is my string? Okay, so is alpha. What it is doing is checking if the given string only contains alphabets. So it does contains only alphabets, so it should return true. There, there's a tip for you guys in Python or in any other programming language. When we use is in the starting of a variable or function, it usually means that we are checking something, and by checking, I mean it will return the value in yes or no. Like let's say my age is more than 10, yes or no. So it will return yes. So it's mean this. If I'll run it, it's saying true. But if I'll make number line, let's say 1, 2, and now if I'll check that is every element of the given list is an Jamadi. Um, okay, there is another function named fruit. Sorry, fruit is our variable, right? So there is another function similar to is alpha is digit. So what it does is checks for the digit. Since it doesn't contains only digits, it's returning false. But let's say if I have a number line again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have a list of positive number. Now if I'll type is digit, saying true. And another function we have is fruit dot is all num. So it checks if the number only contains alphabets or numbers or both. If it contains anything except of that, it will return false. So it's saying true. And if I like run um, number line mm, is digit, it's saying true. And if I use space, if I use is all it's returning false since it has spaces. So it checks whether the given strings only contains alphabet or numbers or both. And if they don't match the parameters of it, then it will type false in this. I'll check it later. Okay, so there are some functions left, such as lower. So if I'll type code dot lower, it will convert everything to lower value. Lower value, I mean by that is converts every element of the given string to lowercase. So if I'll just run it like this, yeah, it's returning the same value since our original variable is in lowercase too. And similar to this is uppercase, converts everything to uppercase. And for the lowercase, we have function is lower. It checks whether every element of the given string is lower or not. So since it's all lower, it's returning true. And if I'll type is upper, and also there is another function for is title. So what it does is similar to title, but it checks whether the first letter of the given string is capital. Since it's not capital, it will return false. But if I'll make a new value of it, fruit dot is title, sorry, title. Now if I'll print it, fruit is title. Now it's returning true. It's fine if I have some cool functions here. All right, so um yeah, there is a function replace. Yeah. So let's say I have a string of a sentence. My name is Mrs. Kumar. So if I'll type replace, I use replace functions. What it does is it actually checks for the letter what to replace, and it makes the new string different from the previous one. So if I'll say replace A with E, yeah. So it converted A to E. You see it, yeah. So it's taking two arguments. First argument is what to replace, and the second argument is what to put inside of the replaced file or replaced string. Okay, so let's see if we have something interesting. Interesting. Okay, let's just say I have a string with wait. I have a string with a lot of backspaces. Sorry, with a lot of spaces in the left, and then the characters and all is written. Now I can get rid of the left spaces with a function known as lstrip. Yeah, as you can see, it deleted all the spaces from the left. So that's why it's named lstrip. And its opposite is r strip. So if I'll say banana l strip. Okay. Sorry. So I've used l strip, but it's for left side. I'll be using r strip. Oh no, I don't want to save it. Wait. R strip. Okay. So it actually what it did is deleted the right strip portion, and now let's say we have space in the both side. How to get rid of it? We can use a function strip. It's the combination of strip and strip. It works on both sides, and yeah, let's see. It's printing banana, just banana. Um, okay. Start. Now let's just start learning what's split function. Wait a minute. Okay. So split function, what it does is it splits the given string to substrings in a list. So let me just show you. So print string. Let's make a string of our own. My name is what's this? So if I'll just type split, it will split the given string to pieces, and it will make a list out of it. Let me tell you what I mean. I don't know what is this. I don't know. Maybe my laptop is having some issues. Hmm. As you can see, it converted this string to a list of strings separated with spaces. So my name is Vishesh. So for default, I default its separation is considered being a space. But if I want to change its separation, separation, I can just type what to separate the list or the string with. So let's say I want to separate the string with I. Sorry, I. Now if I run it, as you can see, it separated the string with I. I guess there is all that we have to learn about it. Again, I would suggest you to go through all of it again and try it with different variables, different values, strings, values, and all, and you can combine two functions and make a new function, or you can write a little code, okay, and or if you like, you can practice all of this for yourself. Okay, now I'm done with this portion, and now I'll be making a project. Hello, in this video, we will make a project, small project, which will take our user's first name and surname, and will convert the initials of these first name and surnames to capital. Well, it's pretty easy to do, but let's try to do it with Python. All right. So I have opened my file, and let me just create a input variable. So let's name it name, right? Name input. Mm, what's your full name? All right. Now, when we have the full name of the user, you can just convert the name to name dot title. And what this will do is it will make both first name and surnames first letter to capital. So if I print your full name, your uh, your character full name is, and as you can see, I'm concatenating two strings name. All right. No, let's make it a sentence. All right. Print sentence. It's pretty easy to understand this way, right? So if I'll just run it, what's your full name? Well, my full name is okay. Cannot like this. Vishesh Kumar. As you can see, we converted the first V and first K to capital. And you can try creating your own projects with all the info we gathered in this video. And I hope I see you in the next one. Till then, bye and have a nice day. Thank you.